most important is that we need to learn and master. We need to learn and master art of goal-based family financial planning. Many people think that I know it, that is enough. You know it, it is not enough. If you demonstrate with simplicity and easiness with client, and client understand and able to take a decision, then it is a okay. Because we are not in a business where we get business maybe the client walk-ins and they says I want to buy insurance and we just fill the form. It is possible only the you can say credit card product or maybe loan product, but it is not product in investment specifically into tax planning or financial planning. So we need to learn and master the art of the goal-based financial planning. Now let me introduce how it works. We have derived the 5-step process. That 5-step process helps client to understand how life goal will be there and how he can achieve the life goal. And we are starting with the first question. I am just starting with the first question of pre-training test. I am just reading for the benefit of all. You have advised one of your clients to invest 5,000 per month for 8 years in an existing equity mutual fund today to meet the children higher education goal. The existing equity fund corpus is 2,50,000 and assume equity return is 12.5% per annum. Your client would like to know maturity value. So client has a son or daughter and there is a requirement of higher education for after 8 years. So based on the discussion, you have suggested that you earmark your existing equity mutual fund which is a 2.5 lakh. Apart from, as per your saving quotation, I am suggesting to invest 5,000 per month. So client want to know what would be my maturity value after 8 years. Okay, so
opening balance is 2,50,000.
Yes, opening balance is 2,50,000 and apart from we are advising to invest 5,000 per month. So client wants to know what would be the maturity value. So now how 5-step process work, which is a secret success of our participant. 5-step process, which is a secret success. One of our participant named as a logical and magical. So it is a, if you follow the process, it is so magical that you will 100% achieve the right answers. So it is a logical and magical 5-step process, secret success of our participant, not only in exam but in real life as a practitioner. It is enough both in real life and exam.
So this is different from do's.
It is a one part of the do. You have to learn and master the art of goal-based family financial planning. So art of goal-based financial planning कैसे सीखेंगे? 5-step process से सीखेंगे. तो उसमें हमने 5 स्टेप डिवाइड कर दिया है. तो पहले I will write it all 5 steps and then we will solve the first question with help of the 5-step process. So first step is read question or problem twice. Now let me, before I go ahead into 5-step process, let me tell you how question is designed in CFP examination. So as a leading financial planner or practicing financial planner, I interact with lot of clients. I means all planner. I am not talking about KU Shah only. So when I interact with as a financial planner, I get lot of queries or problem from the client. So that problem or query I refine in such a way that the aspiring financial planner, if he or she can solve, she will be solve the client's problem. So when you go through the CFP certification exam, 80% of the minimum, I am saying 80% of the minimum queries or problems or requirement of the client, which is converted into the questions. and if you solve during the journey of exam, you will be able to solve minimum 80% of the problem or requirement of the client without you can say discussing or without getting the help from your senior like maybe right now KU Shah. In case if you stuck somewhere, you can ask for my feedback or my help. So that's how question is designed. So there is a problem in question 1. There is a problem of higher education goal. So question that problem is refined into the question. So client has a son or daughter, and there is a requirement of higher education money after 8 years, and he has a 2.5 lakh rupees money. So we have suggested to earmark 2.5 lakh money with 5,000 SIP to achieve the goal. So we have to read the question twice or problem twice to make sure that we capture the, or we can say we get the what is asked. Sometimes we need to, when you reading the newspaper, it is said that you need to read in between lines. So what is meaning of reading in between lines? Sometimes the message may not be straight away given. So that message we need to identify. Otherwise we may not able to solve the sum, because आपने question ही समझा नहीं है तो आगे हम कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे. So first step is read the question twice. Second is draw a right timeline. So this what when I speak, I always recollect Facebook, where you can write on a timeline of your friend or wall of the friend. Okay na? So draw a right timeline. Please understand that as an individual we are a visual person. If I give you a training based on the audio, where you may not having the my live recorded, or maybe my physical presence is not there, we are discussing on a phone, training on phone. I have delivered in some subject when I was in working corporate, where it was on a con call. So definitely problem is that one person may not understand what I would like to derive the message, because there is limitation of audio. Now if only his book is there, then audio is also not there. So definitely it is like that, I am reading, I can know the how to read in English. But suppose if someone gives me a medical book, first year MBBS book, can I understand? Because I have not going through the vocabulary of that domain. I might not be having the any kind of knowledge of medical science, or there is some supervisor training is required to understand the book. So that's the reason those who just simply read the book, it is like that you are reading a book but you may not able to get the result. So here as a person we are visual, and whenever many practicing financial planner or financial advisor, sometimes they use the software or Excel tool. So when they show yes, for your retirement you require 5 crore rupees and you need 50,000 SIP, but client will not understand with the figure. It is a text until you do not demonstrate how it is arrived. And if someone asks you how it is arrived, if you are just user of financial software, then you will say that it is some input I did and the output is derived. I don't know how it is there. So that's the reason many financial planner, even CFP certificate, they are not getting the good business, or they may not able to charge the good fee to client, because they were not able to demonstrate how corpus is arrived, how SIP is arrived. So to demonstrate how, we need right timeline. So timeline will bring a visual approach. I'll explain in 5 minutes detail. Third is, we need to list down all important information. So no variable missed. Fourth is construct steps. Construct steps. So it is very important. Until I do not have a roadmap, how I can complete my journey. So construct step is like a roadmap. So roadmap will give me the picture how I will complete the journey. So some small problem could be 1 mark, problem could be 1 step problem, some may be 2 steps, some could be a 3 or 4 steps. So we need to construct the step first, and and then fifth is the execution. So I say कि first four are, when you do first four step, it is a planning, and we need to invest 70% minimum time in planning, and 30% is maximum is calculation or execution. So I can relate one simple example. There is a live play is there. As we know that there are many live play, maybe comedy play or maybe some other plays are there. Example, Borivali or anywhere. Okay, 2 hours play, 3 hour play. So sometimes we feel that they are so easily doing, but we do not know how much practice or preparation is happened. So to deliver this 2 hour play, might be they have invested 6 month time writing the script by the script writer, maybe after that practicing that script by the artist, and then continuous practice. So rehearsal is there. So not only by acting but rehearsal in background first, and after 6 months, when they are completely ready, then they deliver in 2 hours. So we feel that it is just 2 hour matter, but it is not 2 hour matter. It was a 6 month journey. After doing the first play, then they may require maybe 1 week practice to do a second play, or may not require if everyone is at a particular level. So practice may not require. They can just do a quick revision of their content and they are ready to act the play based on the quality of artist. So message is very simple. Here, as a financial planner, our main focus is on a planning. And second is the execution. Execution you can do with the calculator, execution you can do with the Excel. Okay, if planning is perfect, then we can do a execution. If planning is not perfect, then definitely execution is not perfect. Follow with me? So now let me introduce some question number 1, how we are using 5-step process in question number 1. So today, as per the exam, if you refer your all 5 case study as a reference date is 1st April 2014. So I am keeping the same date because when you give exam in financial year till 31st January 2016, you would be having the same date. यानी कि till next year 31st January 2016, board will keep financial year 14-15 for module exam and financial and final exam. So now today is 1st April 2014. One of your client has a lump sum money of how much? 2,50,000. Apart from you have advised to invest 5,000 per month for 8 years. So it will mature in 1st April 2022. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And investment return is how much? 12.5% per annum. And our objective is to find the maturity value, means example future value. So what we did, we read the question twice, we draw right timeline so client can understand that this is a journey of 8 years, monthly how many installment he'll do? 8 into 12, 96 month, 96 installment he'll do. He'll first invest or stay invested 2,50,000 for 8 years. Apart from every month, he'll invest 5,000 till 8 years, and 96 months. And so we need to find the future value after 8 years. So first step, read the question twice. Second step, draw right timeline. Third step, around the timeline we list down the all important information, so we will not miss out any important variable. Otherwise we may end up with the negative or wrong answer. All information we have placed. Now fourth is the construct step. So here I am not explaining right now. I will explain once we start the financial mathematics. So find future value of PMT and PV. What is a one step? It is a one step problem where we need to find future value of PMT and PV. And once fourth step is arrived, we need to use either Excel or calculator, and we have to do a execution. Right now, you just note down as it is. We'll explain once we start the financial mathematics. So message is very simple. We need to learn and master the 5-step process, and we have to apply in our everyday life. So when you're sitting with the client and applying the learning, you will apply the 5-step process. So when you were
1 by 4 by 14 and 6 by 32.
The start date.
First date.
First April 14 is the start date.
The reference date 1st April 2014 is the date of commencement of the SIP, and mature date of SIP is 1st April 2022. So it is very important that if you will not bring the visual approach with the client, and if you will not use the pen and paper with the client, chances that client will not value our hard work. If I give one more example, basically, as we know that today specs are common. Today, as we know, specs are common. Okay. If you do a survey, okay, when you have a spec or when you change the specs, okay, so to whom you contact? You go to a eye doctor, eye specialist, or you go to a spec shop and do a new specs. So what is the result comes? हम जाते हैं नंबर चेंज करने, या आपको लगता है कि नंबर बढ़ गए या फर्स्ट टाइम आए, तो नॉर्मली हम कहाँ पे जाते हैं? हाँ, हम नहीं जा रहे हैं, ये स्पेसिफिक ट्रेड में हम नहीं जा रहे हैं. हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो एक मशीन आ गया है.
हाँ, वो दुकानदार के पास चले जाते हैं, उसके पास ही लिखा रहता है कि यहाँ पे आई टेस्टिंग हो जाएगा.
हाँ,
वहाँ पे कर लेते हैं.
तो वहाँ पे आई टेस्टिंग हो जाता है. वहाँ पे दे हैव सम मशीन इज अवेलेबल, सो दैट
free of cost.
हाँ, so with frame you get free of cost. So you get the accurate eye testing, कि how much minus number or plus number, and based on he'll recheck with manual, and we get the result. So what happened that when machine is introduced, what happened that client यानी कि patient doesn't go to a doctor because he feels that I need to pay to doctor first, and then again I need to go and get it straight from whom? This person, shopkeeper. So what is message I would like to share with you? कि when we are meeting the client and we are not adding the value as a doctor, we are not adding the value to the doctor, then people will feel that today they might be buying offline, tomorrow they may buy online like Flipkart or maybe some kind of other website. So here, when we use the 5-step process, and when we draw a timeline, when we